The different types of Italian marble flooring. Dear friends, Italian marble flooring is available in a variety of styles, colors, and sizes. The most popular type of Italian marble flooring is Carrara, which is a white marble with gray veins. Other Italian marbles such as Calacatta and Statuario have a more intricate pattern with more diverse colors such as white, gray, and gold. There are also less common Italian marbles such as Bardiglio and Stromboli, both of which have a unique blue and gray veining. In addition to the various types of Italian marble available, there are also finishes such as polished, honed, and antique that can be applied to the marble to give it a completely different look. In addition to these types of marble, several types of marble are used as accents or to create designs. The most popular accent marble is arabescato, which has a milky white background and gray veins throughout. Arabescato can be used to create both geometric and organic patterns, making it the perfect choice for a personalized touch. Other popular accent marbles include Botticino, Galala, and Gascony beige. If you're looking for something more unique, Italian marble can also be used to create beautiful custom designs. From intricate mosaics to bold modern designs, the possibilities are endless. Italian marble can also be used to create luxurious borders and thresholds between rooms. Whatever your vision is for your home, Italian marble can help make it a reality. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.